welcome to your science classroom. And I am your teacher, Ma'am Regala-Derije. How are you today? I'm sure you're excited for our lesson. Come on, let's go. Before we begin, please click on the subscribe, like, and share, and hit the notification bell for more video lessons. Thank you. For today's key targets, at the end of this video lesson, you should be able to identify and describe divergent plate boundary and distinguish between the two types of divergent plate boundary. Let's start the ball rolling. Let us recall first what are plate boundaries. Plate boundaries are the edges where two plates meet. Most geologic activities, including volcanoes, earthquakes, and mountain building, take place at plate boundaries. We have here the Earth's lithospheric plates. Here is one example of plate boundary. One plate meets another plate, and other examples are seen in black bold lines. There are three types of plate boundaries. We have the divergent plate boundary, the convergent plate boundary, and the transform plate boundary. This time, we will focus on divergent plate boundaries. A divergent plate boundary occurs when two plates move away from each other. The rising magma pushes up on the bottom of the lithosphere and flows laterally beneath it. This lateral flow causes the plates to move in the direction of the flow. At the plate boundary, two plates move in opposite directions. Watch as South America and Africa move away from one another. Divergent boundaries are constructive boundaries because new crust is formed. As the plates move apart, molten magma rises from the Earth's mantle to the surface, filling in the gap and solidifying to create new crust. There are two types of divergent plate boundary: Continental and Oceanic. Oceanic divergent boundary occurs when two oceanic plates move away from each other. This is where seafloor spreading takes place. The best example is the mid-ocean ridge, which stretches around the world, as can be seen here in red. When two oceanic plates move apart, magma rises and becomes a new crust when it solidifies. Here's what it looks like on land. So imagine the same formation underwater. Continental divergent boundary occurs when two continental plates move away from each other. As magma rises, new lithosphere is created. Examples are the African Rift Valley and the Red Sea. Here, the African plate and the Arabian plate move away from each other, and as a result, the water from the Gulf of Aden moves into the gap and created the Red Sea. Always remember, divergent plates move away. And for our wrap up, You are going to rearrange the words to make a complete sentence. You will only be given 10 seconds to rearrange the words for each sentence. So get ready now with your pen and paper. Are you ready now? So let's start with the first one. Now let us see the sentence. Please read. Okay, let us now have the second one. Let us now have the complete sentence. All right, please read. Moving on to the next one. Let us see now the complete sentence. Please read. Let's have now the next one. Let us now have the complete sentence. Please read. And for the last one, let's see the complete sentence. Please read. All right. Did you get 5 correct answers? Okay, very good. And that's all now for our lesson for today. I hope you learned something. And for our parting words, I would like to share with you a quotation by Dennis Waitley. Change the changeable, accept the unchangeable, and remove yourself from the unacceptable. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Till our next lesson here in your science classroom. Stay safe everyone. See ya!